recently purchased a bandsaw blade for my benchtop bandsaw, which you can see behind me. Being new to bandsaws relatively, I did a lot of research, made sure I got the right size, the right length for my bandsaw. Got the blade in. This is a resaw blade, so it's a little thicker than a typical bandsaw blade. Went to put it on my bandsaw, and lo and behold, the teeth are pointing the wrong direction. They're pointing up when it's put on the bandsaw. So I was kind of in a rush when I did this, when I tried to put it on before. Didn't think much about it. If anything, I thought, well, maybe there's a left-handed bandsaw. Why not? So I just packed it up, thought I'd look at it later. Months later, I'm walking around and it kind of hits me with a bandsaw blade that is oriented the wrong way. All you need to do is flip the blade. Now, the teeth are going the correct way. They're going down. So when I put this on, I can use it to resaw. So after I did a little bit of research, I found out that the idea is whoever welded this, they weld the outside, the seam, wherever the seam is, they'll weld it. Then they flip it over and weld the inside seam. Typically, the welder will then flip it back around and the bandsaw blade is correct. However, whoever welded this just must have forgotten that step. So when I got it, it was backwards and back in the box. But now that I know how to fix it, hopefully that helps you. A noob mistake. So from one noob to another, hope that helps. Apparently if I can do this, you can too.